Today, the University of Jordan proudly launches the first bachelor's program in aeronautical engineering and maintenance, with collaboration and partnership with Aramco. This moment is not just an ordinary academic journey, but the start of a new chapter in the future of aviation in Jordan and the region. Professor Nadir Abedat highlighted that the transformation of a dream into reality, saying what once was just an idea become a proud reality, a bridge connecting the University of Jordan and the aviation industry. He also reminded us that our students are the heart of this program, ambitious, talented, and the lead to the future of aviation. Aramco CEO, Mr. Francier Curry, affirmed that this launch is a turning point that positions Jordan as a key player in global aviation industry. He also pointed out the growing demand for aviation professionals, noting that by 2040, the world will need more than 626,000 new maintenance engineers, both a challenge and an opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, with this launch, we open a journey to a brighter future for our students, for Jordan, and the aviation industry worldwide.